Yes, shortcut keys in MS Word. First is use of window key. Window key you can understand, that is on the keyboard. To open start window, press window. To minimize the screen, window key plus down arrow. To maximize the screen, window key plus up arrow. मतलब कि to maximize that will be plus, minimize that will be minus. So in case of minimize, down arrow key, and maximize, up arrow key. To minimize and show desktop, window key plus D. यानी प्लस मतलब कि दोनों की प्रेस करनी है. To search for files and folders, window key plus F. To kick system access menu, window key plus X. For help, window key plus F1. To lock PC or switch users, window key plus L. Zoom in and out, window key and plus for zoom in, and for zoom out it will be minus sign. Use of modifier key Alt. There are two modifier key, Alt and Control. First is Alt. To minimize the screen, Alt plus spacebar plus N. To maximize the screen, Alt, spacebar and X. To restore the screen, Alt, spacebar and R. To close the screen, Alt, spacebar plus C or Alt 5, Alt F4, sorry. To open any application for toolbox, Alt plus tab. Use of modifier key, that is Control, CTR, L. To open the start menu, Control plus Escape. To select the whole document, Control plus A, that has already we have done in the last class. To bold the selected text, Control B, B for bold. To copy the text, C, first alphabet copy, that is taken from, C is taken from C, yani copy. To align the text in the center, E. To find the text, Control F, F for find. In case of Control E, that is the reason that we have already taken Control C for copy. In this case, the last alphabet E has been taken for this purpose. Next, it is continue. Use of modifier key Control. To go to any page, Control G. To replace the text, Control H. That is different because R will be used anywhere else. To italicize the selected text, Control I. To justify the text, Control J. We have already used this. To make the hyperlink, Control K. As we have already used H in case of replace, then we have to use K in case of hyperlink. That is the last alphabet of hyperlink. To align the text in left, Control L. To screen indent the paragraph, Control M. To open new file, Control N. To open the required file, Control O. O means open. To print the document, Control P, first alphabet. To align the text in right, Control R, right, first alphabet R. To save the document, Control S. First save, First alphabet is S. To create a hanging indent, control T. We have to take T as the I has been used for italicize. To underline highlighted selection, control U. First alphabet U. To paste the text from the clipboard, control V. As we cannot use P, as P is already being used as control P for print. Use of modifier key, that is further extended. To close the document, control W. It is a different. We cannot use E, we cannot use C, even we cannot use L. Then we have to use control W. To cut text and paste it on the clipboard, control X. X means that is used as cut. We cannot use C. The reason is that C is already being used as copy. To reapply, repeat in action, control Y. To undo, roll back previous action, control Z. These are the some modifier key which can be remembered. To change the font, control, shift as well as F. We have to press these three keys simultaneously. To increase the font size, control, shift and greater than. We have to increase the font size, then greater than sign. For decrease the sign, we have to use less than ka sign. To break the page, yani page break, control plus enter. To break the column, column break, control shift and enter. These three keys will be pressed parallelly. Single line spacing, control 1, that is 1 for single line. Double line, control 2. 1.5 line spacing, we have to use 5. One has been already used here for single line spacing. Beginning the document, control plus home. Home is always beginning. And end the document, control plus end. End is end. Use of modifier key control. For superscript, control plus shift plus ka sign. For subscript, control plus equal का साइन, माइनस नहीं होगा क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वी हैव यूज्ड इट. टू ओपन टास्क बार, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट प्लस एस्केप. यूज ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट कीज, modifier key have been done, alt as well as control, these are two modifier keys. Adjustment keys, beginning of the line, that is home. End of the line, that is end. Up one screen, page up. Down one screen, page down. To remove the better left from cursor, that will be used backspace. To remove the matter right from the cursor, we have to use delete key. To clear the contents, delete. To delete permanently, if we want to delete any content permanently from our system, then we have to select that icon, then press shift and delete. That will be permanently deleted from your system.